Good morning, parents. And if I don't see you again, good afternoon and good evening. Name that Jim Carrey movie. Enough with trivia. I got a request today to make a demonstration work through video so you can see what your kid sees when they go to Google Classroom. And so, without further ado, here's what happens. They log on and they go to their SSO. That's a single sign on, which has access to all of their stuff and also an extra layer of privacy from Boulder Valley Schools. Once they get there, they'll see buttons similar to this, although they won't have as many as I do, and they will go here to Google Classroom. They'll click on Google Classroom, and when they do that, it'll go to this screen. And this screen will have all of their classes. And they'll have several, probably up to 5 or 6. They'll have PE, they'll have art. But the important ones for this video, Mr. Newbie always starts here, and Mr. Newbie's 4th grade 1920. So they start by clicking this. Now, I already have this open in a tab, so I'm not going to click, but this is what they'll see. That's my cat, Legolas, by the way. And the only two things they have to deal with in either classroom are stream and classwork. Stream is their chance to be social, their chance to ask me a question, their chance to post pictures. I monitor it for appropriateness, and I also get an email every time someone posts in the screen. So that's what this is for. And they'll show up on stream and they'll immediately go to classwork. And when they go to classwork, they have two things to do: morning announcements and a class question. There are two ways to get to where you want to go. Think of these as subtopics or headings, and you can click on them and it'll take you there, or you scroll through. So we'll start with morning announcements. And morning announcements look something like this. These are the long versions of the day, way to be social, way to get my face out there and actually speak to them. So I'll read about this, and since I spent 20 years in radio, I'll let you know about the weather, and I'll let you know about today's national days. It's Jelly Bean Day today. And also underneath, I will put links. This is the link to my announcements, also up on my YouTube channel, which is a Boulder Valley channel and perfectly accessible, has past announcements and some how-to videos. And today we're looking at an Earth Day. From there, and I'm just going to scroll down, we do a class question. So I've typed up a test class question. For privacy purposes, I'm not showing you anything that might have a student name on it. And the test class question looks like this. What was your first memory as a child? What they do is they respond to it, and then it shows up in comments underneath. And it's my sneaky way of doing attendance. So I know who's there. I don't really look at it till the end of the day. And remember, attendance in our home learning is far more about participation and investment. Okay, so from there, they then go to the next classroom. I find it easier to keep tabs open. If it slows down the browser, they can just open it up once again from the SSO. And they'll come to Mr. Newbie's 4th grade 1920. Comments in this class only can be about academics, and the kids are really good about it. I haven't had to say anything about it really since the first time. And here's where they go. Today's quick guide, the most important thing for every day, because it's the short version of everything I want them to do today. And it's got a list. I have some things for them to do for Earth Day today. It lists today's special and other things to do. And also here, I try to post as many links as I can. I can't post any links if it's someplace in their single sign-on, because if I did, it would only link to my single sign-on and they wouldn't be able to get in. So for things like BrainPop, for things like Newsela, there they have to go back to their single sign-on. It'll take them where to go. Other than that, I have instructions videos about kind of how to do things. And whenever I have a brand new platform, I launch an instructions video. I have extensions for those kids that kind of get done early. And I have multiple things listed under extensions. If you happen to know of a really cool thing that kids could do online, you ought to shoot me an email and we'll kind of see where that is. And then, the dreaded reading log. So you go to reading. And then if they click on this, It will take them to their personal reading log, and I have a new reading log assignment kind of every week. So that's a quick run around Google Classroom and what your kid does every day. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know, and I'll get right back to you. And if you also have questions for any other tutorial videos, I'd love to send them to you too. So that's all. Thanks for listening, and we'll talk to you again soon.